really interesting night tracking showers and thunderstorms, and at some points I was a little concerned for our area getting slammed by widespread storms, but instead most of them are behaving. Outside right now we've got rain. Occasionally there have been some pretty decent lightning strikes across the city of Austin when thunder roars head indoors. Temperature 63 degrees, 68 was our high earlier today. As far as watches are concerned, in pink, that's a severe thunderstorm watch. It has been cleared for Mason and Gillespie counties, continues for Llano, Burnett, Blanco, Williamson, Travis, Hayes, Caldwell, and Bastrop counties until midnight. It's possible it may be extended farther east as we watch these storms. At the same time, if you're in the Western Hill Country and you were hoping for some love from Mother Nature, obviously none of us want the severe weather. Things have really started to taper off. So we're going to focus in from Travis County point south. That's where the rain and the storms continue. Now for our area, no warnings. Farther south though, near Stockdale, there's a little spin over here, and this is a severe thunderstorm packing a punch. It has winds around 60 miles per hour. I've been actually looking at the velocities on this, and you may see right near Stockdale. This is where the heaviest and strongest winds are. Here's Stockdale, there's Luling in Caldwell County. That's a long distance away. It's no sure bet that the storms will stay together long enough to reach us and be as strong, but we'll be keeping an eye on things through the overnight just in case. Currently, the strongest storm from Austin through the airport, down south along Highway 21 near Cedar Creek, east of Lockhart, and all of this is pushing off toward the east. So that means McDade about 1031, Smithville 1034, Page 1039, and West Point right around 1048. Those of you in Fayette County, you could get some heavy rain overnight that may cause some additional flooding issues as well. So this is all going to be pushing to the east through the overnight. You know what we're going to be left with after that? Quiet weather. So we're going to take the storm threat away, the severe risk as well. For the rest of tonight, still going to keep an eye, especially in our eastern areas, especially for potential wind and maybe some minor flooding issues. After that, the last of the rain pushes by the boards, potentially a couple of inches for folks in Fayette County, and we're going to have a beautiful weekend. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast as we take from 11:30 to midnight. The last of the storms, can't rule out maybe something popping up after that, but for the most part, the second round that I was anticipating is looking less and less likely to even bother us. So by 5 a.m., we're pretty much done. By 7 a.m. and 8 a.m., we're watching that cloud line clear out, and we're going to see a sunny and beautiful weekend ahead. For your Saturday, 72 degrees. It's going to turn a little windy later on in the day, especially on Sunday, 68 degrees. I think a wind advisory will probably be issued. We'll probably have gusts 35 to 45 miles per hour. Coolest day of the upcoming week on Monday, 64, and that's only 1 degree cooler than average. Then we warm right back up. We could see some rain showers again Thursday and Friday, but no severe weather. We'll be right back.